Hello, hi everyone. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hi everyone, can you hear me? I think we have two participants as of now. You can mention in the comment section if I am audible or not. Okay, so today morning I started a bit late, but no one has joined, so thought let's start in afternoon. And again, market was sideways since morning, so that's the reason I have just started now. So hope you can hear me. You can mention that in comment section. So let me open Bank Nifty chart. Hope you can see that. So if we go to higher time frame as per our process, so Bank Nifty is trying to sustain above this 52,000 level. Just a moment. This 52,000 level and it's sideways since morning. So let's check out on 15 minutes. So for last 3 days, Bank Nifty is trading between this 52,250 and 52,000 level. So it's a horizontal consolidation in this zone. So just now we have seen spike above this 52,250 level, but it has shown movement till this 52,400 and took rejection from this level. So this 52,400 or 380 is yesterday's one of the swing. So that's the reason I always mention to we need to check out for the space between recent swings so that we can decide our target or stop loss. Okay, now let's see how the premiums are doing or the Nifty is doing. So Nifty is also in same 24 175 to 200. So Nifty is also struggling to cross this 40 24,200 level. Just a moment. So Nifty is also struggling to cross this 24,200 level, and it's again took rejection from this. So today is Bank Nifty expiry. So when this Bank Nifty took support from this 52,100 and shown this spike till 52,400 level, we have seen good movement in 52,200 C. It was trading around 50 rupees or below 100 rupees since morning, so it had made spike up around 300 from 50. So currently it is trading around 150. So we need to check if Bank Nifty sustain above this 250 level, then one C side quick trade can be planned. So currently it is trying to cross 250. So it's a good opportunity to enter around this 150 or between in this 140 to 150 range with just a moment. So there is a good opportunity to enter around this 150 level. Stop loss can be recent low of around this 120, I think, or we can keep stop loss near this 20 SMA of around 130, and target can be around this 190 or 200. So this way we need to find out opportunity. So let's wait. It's moving to 180, 190. So see Bank Nifty took support from this 200 level and it's quickly crossed this 300 level. So this way we need to wait for proper opportunity because since morning it was trading between this 150 to 200, 50 to 200 level. So we'll remove this P chart as of now. We will add one more chart that is 52,500 since it is a expiry. Let's add November 52,500 C. So it's currently trading around 50. So if it cross again above this 100 level, it can be a good buy from 100 to 150. So, because Bank Nifty is moving higher and it will definitely try to test this recent high of 52,550 or 560. So as we have discussed on higher time frame, that is on daily time frame, there is a gap between this 550 and till this 800 level. So if Bank Nifty sustain above this 50 to 500, it can definitely or it may test again, feel it can fill this gap and test around 52,750 or 800 level, considering today is the expiry. So let's see and wait how it works. See this 52,200 C is trading around 250 now. So that was a good opportunity in this last 10 minutes. So now there will be one more buying opportunity once Bank Nifty cross this 52,400 level. Currently it is taking rejection, so we need to wait if we are planning to enter into call option. So that time we can plan our entry into 52,500 call option. So by that time it will also cross this recent swing of 100 or 120. So it can be a good scalp. So Bank Nifty is trying to move up. So this is not buy or sell recommendation, though, so I'm just trying to explain the logic how I used to enter into option trades and how we need to understand market behavior. So let's wait and watch if Bank Nifty try to cross this 52,400 level. So I have just started this live streaming from yesterday, so there are no much viewers available online. So yesterday also there were two or three viewers, but let's continue this. So the how once our followers or subscribers know about I'm going live, we can have better uh, joining count for live sessions. So if we can see now Nifty is also crossing 24,200. So if it sustain it, it will give boost to Bank Nifty also. So currently, if we can see what Bank Nifty components are doing, let's move to other screen. Okay, so its resolution is less. So I have this one more monitor where I have opened all these Kotak Bank, SBI, Reliance, Sensex, and HDFC and ICICI. So HDFC trading at day's high, it's trying to cross today's day high, and so if you can see this chart, it's trying to cross day high of 1795. And if we go to ICICI Bank, let me zoom up this. ICICI Bank, it's also trying to cross this 1305 or 7 level, so it's also range bound for last couple of days. Kotak Bank is also at days high, so it's a opportunity for Bank Nifty to give breakout if all these stocks give breakout all these component. So again, SBI is also at resistance of around 840. So yesterday it took resistance around 840 and shown fall. And if we can see about the Reliance, Reliance is sideways around this 1290 or 1300. Okay, so that's it. So components are also trading at days high. Let's back to our screen, primary screen. Okay, so now if we open the Bank Nifty chart, you can see it's trying to cross this 250 level, 350 level, sorry. So we need to wait for one more push. So if it once it try to cross above this 370 or 380, that is this recent swing, there can be a good buy into 52,500 call option. So if you can see, Nifty is also trying to sustain about 24,200 and trying to cross recent swing of 220, 24,220. So since today's Bank Nifty expiry, there is a decay. So this 52,500 C is around 70. So if it cross this 100 level, then it can be a good opportunity. So we can plan entry around this 100 or 110. Yeah, it's coming into our buying zone. So it's just a paper trade or trial. So just to check how our logic works in live market. Okay, so I will just zoom out this chart. Okay, so now we'll focus on Bank Nifty and this 52,500 call option. I will remove these drawings, few drawings. Let's remove all the drawings. Okay. Okay, so we're waiting Bank Nifty to cross this recent swing of 52,400. So if it cross, I don't think it will retest. It will quickly move to 52,500 or 550 this way. So let's see. Okay, friends, so hope this screen is clear. You can visible the screen and you can hear me. So you can mention in comment section. So this kind of feedback is important, whether I'm audible or not, screen is properly visible or not. Also, you can share if you need further info or if you want to analyze any other chart. So meantime, we can do that as well. Okay, let's wait. Yes, so you can see Bank Nifty is crossing this 52,400, and even if we can see this HDFC chart, let me pull in. So if you can see this HDFC chart, it has given nice breakout above this 1800 level. So it can be a good opportunity in call option. So f for the paper trade, let's plan our entry and see. So it's taking rejection from 400, but no issues. So for paper trade, let's consider I have entered around this 80 level. Our stop loss will be this 65, 15 point stop loss. Let's see if we can get around 20 points. So premium can test 100 to 110. That is a recent swing. So let's monitor this, how this trade can be worked. Let's mark here entry, stop loss. Considering today's expiry, we need to immediately exit from either target or stop loss. So this will be the target 1, and this will be the 110 or 120 will be the target 2, around 120. Okay, so premium recently tested 90. Let's wait. This is T2 target 2. Okay, it's close to our stop loss also after hitting recent high, because Bank Nifty is trading again below this 52,400. Okay, so our stop loss got hit. So no worries, it's better to exit as per trading plan, because Bank Nifty couldn't sustain above this 52,400 level. That's the reason premium is taking rejection, and also it's around 12:30 now, so decay will be more as compared to other days as we are approaching to expiry end. So now it might happen that it can move again. So let's wait for proper confirmation, or let's monitor if our plan is correct or not. No, it took rejection, but if you can see Nifty, because Sensex is moving quickly upside above 80,000. It reach around 240. Just a moment. If you can see Nifty has given nice breakout, but Bank Nifty is taking rejection. So it might happen that premium after hitting our stop loss, premium may rise again. Let's see. So that's the reason when we are close to expiry, it's better to enter into at the money or uh, near ITM price, because if you can see, uh, we hit our stop loss in this 52,500 C, which is near OTM, but in this 200 C, it is not crossing recent lows, so it's trading above 250 level. So these are the some few learnings or our learnings through market. Our observations help as we progress further into our trading journey. So Nifty has recently tested its recent days high of around 260 or 270, 24 270, and Bank Nifty is also again taking resistance from this 400 level. So instead of this 52,000 C, if we can add 52,500 P, it can be a good scalping opportunity, but it can be risky because after the strong movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty, entering into put side can be a bit risky. So let's wait to see proper rejection or a proper support about this 50 to 400. So just a moment, I will be back. Okay, so Nifty is also sustaining about 24 to 50. Bank Nifty is depends upon HDFC. So HDFC is trading around 1800 level. So I think just try one scalp in this 52,500 P. It's trading around 140, so 10 to 15 point scalp. But Bank Nifty is moving up, so I don't think it will work. So if we see 52,500, see again, it's trading around our stop loss level, around 60, 65. So when market is at such a crucial level, it is bit difficult to make a decision, and specifically when it is a expiry day. So 50,500 C is around 50. So let's remove this strike price. Let's put 52,500 put option. Let's monitor this. Okay, it's now moving up 52,500 CE 52,500 Bank Nifty. See, yeah, you can see Bank Nifty is trading above 400, 430, but premium is not rising. And as compared to that, 50 to 200 CE is stable around 250 or 270. Nifty shown good movement from this 200 to 300. You can see it has tested, trying to test 24 300 level. Let's remove all this drawing. Think it will take rejection. So let's plan. Okay, 52,500 piece trading around 114 or 150, 115. So let's wait how Bank Nifty trades. If it cross this 400 downside, it can be good entry around 120 and good scalp from 120 to 150. Let's increase this. Okay, so let's assume that we are planning to enter about this recent swing that is around 120. No, it took support from 400, so it seems. So let's wait for 5 minutes because it's a bit confusing where to go. So whenever we are into such situation, it's better to wait. Otherwise, we'll hit our stop loss on both the sides, C or P. I think moment will be on C side only. HDFC is taking rejection, so let's wait. But 50 to 500 P shown lot of decay from 150 to 100. Let's move to bigger time frame. What it shows 1, 2, 3. This is a fourth consecutive green candle. So if you see, we need to wait patiently for proper entry. Random entries will not work without proper clarity on what we want to do. If you can see, this P is again coming to our buying zone. So if it cross 120, it can show 120 to 140 to 50 move. But if it cross its recent swing of 118 or 120, for that bank Nifty to move below 50 to 400. So if we consider price action, then it has shown breakout above this small triangle pattern. If we draw this triangle and it tries to break couple of times and now taking support from this 52,400 level. So this is price action basically it tells us now. So it can be good entry to C side with small stop loss below this 52,400 because this 450 to 400 has acted as a resistance previously also. Yeah, so if you can see on higher time frame, let's go to daily time frame. So this 400 and 500 has acted as a resistance. So that's the reason market is struggling in this zone. So it's not always necessary that it should test 500 and take rejection. So let's wait and see how Bank Nifty shows movement because Nifty is also reaching around this 24,300 that round number. So we are currently monitoring 52,500 P. So instead of this 200 C, let's add 52,300 C. How the chart shows for that. Okay, this is also consolidating above 150. So our P is quick scalp is about getting to our entry level around 120. So if it cross this 120, then it can show 20 to 35, 20 to 30 point quick movement because Bank Nifty, let me remove these drawings. Okay, because if Bank Nifty shows one more breakdown below this 400 and again cross that, so we need to capture this movement in the PE trade around 40-50 points, and considering the expiry premium will move quickly. So let's see, premium is around 100 again. So one more point, we always try to buy at low and try to exit at top. So it is always not possible because since premium is trading around days low, that is around 100 rupees. So it will not be a good buy. At least it should show some strength because we cannot capture bottom and top. We need to capture in between our 10 or 20 points, whatever as per our strategy and whatever market shows. So that's the reason why we are considering we'll buy above 120. So that is the reason we'll buy above 120 and exit before 150s. So it may cross 150, test 200 also, but that is not our plan because market can reverse from anywhere after showing this much strength. So let's wait. If we consider market depth, so, okay. Okay, so let's mark our entry line or this 120 is the entry line, or you can say will end our plan, trading plan is will enter above this 120. Yeah, premium is crossing 120. Let it sustain above this. It again took rejection, so let it make some base here. So above this 120 will be the our trade plan entry, and target will be around this 150 or 140, below 150, and stop loss will be 100. So it's around 1:1 or 1:1.5. or 1 is to 2 trade. Depends upon how quick Bank Nifty can show movement. So trade is not yet active because it is taking rejection from 120. So Bank Nifty just now trying to cross 50 to 400 to downside. Okay, so if we see HDFC Bank, so it took rejection from top, that is from 1800 level. So it can be a good entry into this 52,500 put option. And even Nifty is also taking rejection. So it is a rejection candle or retracement. Let's see. It could be a retracement and trap for sellers also. So we need to wait. So for this 300 CE, entry can be about this 175 level. So we need to be always ready with both the plans because market is at crucial level. So it around 175 or 180, I think. Because Bank Nifty is holding this 400 level for last 10-15 minutes. So now this resistance is converted into support. So basic price action concept. So this PE trade gone below 100. So there is no point. So this 300C, we can monitor 300C now for a while. So basically, Bank Nifty did this around 300 point movement and currently it's consolidating. So it's difficult to enter into any trade at this point of time. So basically, many times we miss our trade. So, but no issues because uh, when it shown breakout above this 200 or 250 level, it couldn't sustain because of this rejection. We cannot consider this rejection and retracement till 200 is as a retracement. So we cannot enter at this level after seeing this much of rejection from 400 till again 200 point rejection. So it's better to avoid this kind of trades, especially on expiry day. So friends, hope this live market analysis or discussions are helping you to understand and how my psychology works. Basically, it's not any uh, uh, recommended concept. So this is what how I used to analyze and I used to take a trade. So whenever you are watching this live feed, when I post, you can share your feedback after watching this stream. So we'll come to know whether it is helpful or not, because it's always not possible to join live stream and our channel is very small, so every every time we'll not expect 50 to 100 people will join soon. So there will be hardly two, four, five people will be there based on availability. So again, Bank Nifty is coming down. So we always think that this 5200, 500 P made low up 90. If we would have entered, it's trading around above 100. We can easily could have easily made 10, 20 points quickly in 5 minutes. But that way, it doesn't work. So our entry criteria remains same. Once it sustain above this 120, it can be a good trade. So by that time, Bank Nifty will also try to cross this 400, which is not at crossing. So it's again sustaining. So let's see. So if you can see Nifty or Bank Nifty, it's consolidated for last 3 days from Friday, Monday, and today almost half the day between this 52,000 and 52,200 and some of spike about this 250 or 300. One hardly one or two spike. Okay, so let's monitor closely this 52,500 put option. It's trading around 104 or 108, 1010. So our buy is around above 120. Let's see, Bank Nifty is also trying to cross 400 and Nifty is also trying to break 24,300. So though we are trading into Nifty Bank, we also need to keep a tab on Nifty to see the overall market direction or sentiment because it will definitely affect uh, each other's movement or one index can have impact of other index. That's the reason I keep Nifty 50 chart side by side along with the Bank Nifty. Okay, you can see it has tested this around 120 level. Okay, so it can be a good entry now during this moment because Bank Nifty is also trying to cross this 52. So this is what we have marked our entry above 120. So this swing. What happened? Yeah. Okay, let's see how it chart shows on 15 minutes. Okay, it's taking rejection. So whenever we get confused with smaller time frame, we need to move to higher time frame so it will show clear picture. So because many times this 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minute time frames we see there is a rejection, but on higher time frame something different happens. So it's better to have switch time frames in between whenever we are monitoring the market. So let's monitor both the strikes C and P. Okay, you can see market is around 52,400 in this 10-20 points for last 30 minutes. So sometimes we won't get trades quickly, so we need to wait and study the market. So this P trade is again crossing 110, so it's trying to activate. Let's see. Okay, it can be a good entry now because on 15-minute time frame Nifty is also taking rejection at this 300. HDFC is also again trading below 1800 level, and Bank Nifty broke this 52,400. So let's wait till it cross 52,380 level or this around this level. So premium will also cross 120 level. This recent swing is too far. It is around 52,360. So actually what I'm looking for that retracement till or reversal till this moving average, because price will definitely try to come to test this moving average before moving up. So it's not always happen, but it's mostly probability is more. Otherwise, if price price trades around this 400 level, subsequently moving average will move up. So it's all about probability. We need to enter into trade as per our conviction. So now this P is sustaining above this 110. So now our stop loss can be 110 if we enter at one above 120 or 125. So it will be around 10 to 20 point, 15 point stop loss. But there is no continuation in short side because it has to make 400, price has to show clear rejection. See, Bank Nifty is still below 52,400 and 52,500 P shown rejection or decay. It's again back to 100 level. So sometimes on expiry day, this decay works against us if we are holding the trade for long time. Okay, I think we'll wait for 5-10 minutes till 1:30 and we'll stop this live streaming because there are no much viewers also, hardly one or two people are online with me. So we'll keep continue this doing for the 45 minutes to 1.5 hour whenever possible, at least 2 to 3 days per week. So gradually, I think we'll have engagement from viewers if this is useful. Okay, so let's wait for 5 minutes whether it show breakdown or breakout. After that, we'll stop our this live streaming another 10-15 minutes. See, Nifty and Sensex is moving up and Bank Nifty is consolidating. Let's wait if because Nifty is reaching yesterday's day's high from where it has open gap up and shown fall. So many times it reaches this level, either it shows breakout, so that kind of relation is there, either breakout or again rejection. So based on that also movement on Bank Nifty can affect because Sensex and Nifty has various sectors as a component. So if couple of sectors works, it also shows movement in either direction based on the weightage of that sector. I don't know why my conviction is towards P trade only. It may be wrong, but let's see. 120 or 125 level because it's nicely consolidated in the zone of around 90 to 110 or 120. See, we need to wait for the entry for maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours also because if we enter into right trade will hardly work for 5-10 minutes if we are right. So capturing 20 to 30 points is hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes if movement is quick. So this can be one of the indication when we enter into the trade. If trend doesn't work for 10-15 minutes, we need to understand that there is something wrong, or we have entered into the wrong trade. Specifically in case of options, if we are doing stock intraday, that is a entire different setup or different ball game. So considering the decay and expiry dates, it's better to have time stop loss as well along with our uh, premium based stop loss or index based stop loss. So let's see for 5-10 minutes. It's crossing our buying level. So here also you need to understand we will not get entry exactly at 120 or 125 because from here onwards movement will be quick on either side. Either it can be on upside or downside. So based on how index moving, we need to make our entry. It can be at around 120, 124, 118 also. So there is no exact place when we enter into breakout or breakdown trade. So if it is a non-expiry day, we would have entered into this consolidation zone. But if Bank Nifty shows quick upside breakout of 50-60 point, this premium will move to 40 or 50 rupees from here, that is from 100 or 110, considering the expiry day. And it's almost, we are the first half of the market or the first session is almost completed, so decay will be more faster as compared to before the 11 a.m. on the expiry day. Yeah, so it's a cooking time at home, so you can hear some disturbance from kitchen because I don't have any separate trading room. So if you have seen previous trading setup video, my setup is into living room or drawing hall, which is connected to kitchen. So many times you heard noise of cooking or utensils. Okay, I think let's monitor this P again. Okay, I think now entry can be made around this 117, 118 because I'm expecting that Bank Nifty to show this kind of one of the candle. Just a moment. If it cross this low, it's because again moving up. If it can make this kind of candle, there will be good movement in P. But now market is trapping both buyers and sellers again but in this consolidation mode. As I mentioned when we discussed that time, this moving average was around 52,300 or 320. So as Bank Nifty consolidated around this zone, it came up around 360 or 373, 363. So many times we need to wait so it can show upside breakout as well. You can see this PE premium again back to 100. What about C? Okay, so you can see Bank Nifty is there for almost 30 or 35 minutes, and when that time when we are observing this 300 C, it was around 160 or 170. It has made low up around 120. So if we would have entered around this 150, it could have unnecessary. We got stopped out at 130 or 120. So we need to wait for proper entry. So there is no point in rushing to enter into the market. If we miss one of the trade or couple of trades, that's fine. So now if we see that out that previous 52,200 call option chart also, so see it that time it was sustaining this 250 level. Now it has tested around 200 or 210 level. Okay, I think on this candle in this another 5 minutes, the Bank Nifty needs to show breakdown of this recent swing. So this recent swing is around 360 or 370. So now if you see this is the confluence area where recent swing and moving average. So it's a simple 20 period moving average. So you can follow anything SMA, EMA or 9, 10. So generally I keep one moving average on my chart for basic guideline. So whenever you enter into any trade, just look out for at least two confirmations, whatever system you are following, either it is a indicator base, price action base. So there should be minimum 2 to 3 reasons to enter into the trade so that we can evaluate that trade afterwards, whether that kind of confluence or that kind of confirmations which we are taking are working or not. Okay, so as I mentioned in this candle, we can see the movement. So let's assume that we have entered around this 120 level. It's trading around 124. Let's see if it hit 140 or 150. Because considering that Bank Nifty is testing this moving average, it can take rejection from bottom and also show upside movement, or it can show further breakdown. So if it show breakdown of around 20-30 point also, this premium will move till 140. So we need to quickly exit if it and test this 140. See, now it's trading around 130 because Nifty is also taking rejection from top. This trade can work well in our direction. So from 120 to 130, we are in 10 points profit in our this virtual trade. So considering the expiry, we can move this our stop loss or say this whatever considered around 100 rupees. So this can be now this candle slow that is around 115. So if we if this trade doesn't work in our direction, we'll lose 5 points. So that way, considering the situation, we need to manage our risk reward in the trade. So this will be the SL. So it's too early to put this SL. At least we need to wait. But on expiry days, it's better to exit because if it Bank Nifty takes support from this recent swing or moving average, it will again premium will again go to 100. So why to take unnecessary 20-point loss? Okay, it's trading above 120, then we are comfortable. It's crossing 125. So we need to ready to book our target around 140 or 150 in this our paper trade or virtual trade. So you can see we were waiting from 12:35 and if we trade we got entry at around 130, so it's almost we need to wait for 1 hour since we missed this movement. Otherwise, quick trades could have been done in this 10 minutes. So you need to understand why this trade is not quickly working. So Bank Nifty tested 52,350 level again round number, and if you observe Nifty tested this 24,300 and it's showing support at this level. So that's the reason this trade is not working. So sometimes when these round numbers are close to this main index, either we are trading into that index or not, and we are taking trade into other index, we need to wait for proper confirmation. So it tested this candle slow, so stop loss is hit in this trade. So today we try to take two virtual trades. In both the trades, stop loss got hit of around in this trade around 5 points, or in other trade around 15 to 20 points. Okay, I think we are good to close today's live stream. So if you are watching this stream afterwards, so I will definitely post this stream today, and you can share your feedback on this. Thank you. So we'll end this